Hello, welcome to Sharmit. In this session, we will cover the further values from the RTVSYSVAL command. So in order to explain the same, I am taking this program in edit mode. And here you can see that we have declared three variables by referring the IBM official website. And and today the value that we are going to discuss is most useful values. Like you can, by the name, you can indicate like it is for the date, this is for the date time, and this is for the date format. Okay, so you can keep the name as per your requirement, but make sure that type and length you should only use that is mentioned on the IBM official website for RTVSYSVAL command. So once the variable is declared, now we are good to hit the command. So for that you just need to write RTVSYSVAL, then press F4, and there are two fields. First one is the sysval, where we will pass those value which we want to retrieve from the system, and second one is the RTVAR, where we will pass the variable in which we will hold the result or output. Now to know more about the system value, what you can do, you can place your cursor here in field and then press F1. So once you press F1, you will be reached to this help screen where every value is described, and these are the values that we have already covered in our previous sessions. So today we are going to discuss about the QDATE, which is there. Okay, so what is QDATE? It is a system date. So changes made to the system value take effect immediately. So whenever we pass this, we will try to retrieve this, it will return the system date. Second one is the QDATETIME, which is system date and time, or you can say timestamp. Here you can see this is the date and time for the local system time as a single value. Retrieving or changing this value is similar to retrieving or changing the QDATE and QTime in a single operation. The format is of this field is YYYYY, MM, DD, HH, NN, SS, and all X. Okay, where YYYY is year, MM is month, DD is day, HS is hours, NN is minutes, and SS is seconds, and all X is the microseconds. Okay, changes made to the system value will take effect immediately. So it is quite simple, like both the values are quite simple and most useful values. Now the third one is QDATEFMT, which is for date format. So changes made to the system value take effect for the job started after the changes made. So this is about the QDATE format. Okay, so now we have retrieved the value with the help of RTVSYSVAL command. Now it's time to print the value. So for printing the value, you can use the sndpgmmsg command, then press F4, and here you can pass your variable name which you want to print. Similarly, I am printing the other two values, as these values are already of character type, so we are just passing it here to print. There is no need of any type conversion. So values are printed. Now it's time to compile the program and see the output. So I'm compiling it. It is compiled successfully. Now I'm calling this. So this is the current date, system date. Okay, page down, this is the timestamp, current timestamp, system timestamp. If I do page down, this is the format which is for date, MDY. So here you can see it is followed the same M, MM, DD, and YY. So this is how you can utilize this RTVSYSVAL command for retrieving the most useful value, which is QDATE, QDATETIME, and QDATE format. This is something that we really use in our programs. So I hope it is clear to all of you, and that's all for this session. In the upcoming session, we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching Sharmit.